Hey guys, this is Tommy Hill from TommyHill89. Today we're going to do a remake of the Windows Installation Series, Series 3, episode Windows 95. So this is in 2015. First off, we're going to show you how to install it. And this is going to be a complete setup. First thing I'm going to do is create a custom virtual machine. And I hope I don't fuck this one up, because every time I do, I fuck it up. So what we're going to do is actually go to settings. And then we're going to go to processors and memory. It doesn't do 1 gig on 95, but that's alright. And we need to shut that down. And 3D graphics isn't supported. I'm going to increase this to 128 because I have version C. Back then, you would probably be a rich person that has tons of storage. But nowadays, that's not enough. So let's make sure we got everything going. So I'm also going to do that. Choose a disk image, and then go to that. And then we can fully start up the installation. First step you need to do is boot from CD-ROM, and I will give you a link in the description. This is the Windows 9X series project. This is a different type of way to install Windows 9X, like 95, 98, or Millennium Edition. So the first step we need to do is go to Fdisk. We'll hit Y for yes. We'll go to number 1 and create a primary partition. And I also provide a link for the product keys for each of them, as they do provide you one during this automated setup. So we'll push enter again. Then I'm going to hit Control Delete. And I'll boot from CD-ROM once again and go to option number 2. Then we're going to go to the D drive. Then I'm going to type in setup. And I'm going to hit option 1. We're going to push I'll press a key and then hit Y and push enter. And it even extracts and copies all the shit onto the hard drive. And then it gives you a product key. You don't need to write this down. I will provide the link to the file. And then we'll push enter to continue. This is ScanDisk, by the way. This is something that happens if your computer gets messed up or anything. Alright, here it is, the setup process. Just hit continue. Then it'll just go through the wizard. Then I'm going to hit yes. Then you want to click next. Then you have the C drive, which is Windows. Then it's going to go to the directory. And then your setup options. And this is where you enter your product key. And we'll hit next. Just in case you guys need to see it. And then I'm going to hit yes for the analyzing, network adapter, and sound card. And I'm going to make sure my networking is bridged. Not like, NAT or anything like that. Alright, I'm going to go through my own options right here. Alright, there's the Windows logon. We're going to add a network adapter. We'll just add a protocol, and then TCP IP, and then we'll do a PC net, and load it in Windows logon. And then you can go through your interface from Windows 95. You can change that to the program manager, but that's not necessary. No startup disk, please. And now we're going to start copying files. And now it's ready to restart. Here's the setup. Now it looks more like Windows 95 instead of Windows 3.1. And now it's going to set up your hardware and any plug-and-play devices you may have. Plug-and-play was new in Windows 95. It would detect anything when you plug it in your computer. Alright, now it's going through the rest of the items, like through the setup process. Start menu. And there you go. Windows 95 is now finished. So we'll click OK. And now I'll show you guys how to install VMware tools on Windows 95. Now I'm not going to install the sound driver on here because it fucks up the whole operating system. Here's Windows 95 setup. I'm going to avoid that actually because I do not want to install Internet Explorer 4 as it gives you the fucking sidebar that I don't fucking like on the desktop. There we go. I'm also going to just get rid of the recycle bin options. And we're going to go through update packs, and I'm going to just quickly click on browse and go to the desktop. As you see, it shows Internet Explorer 5. We're going to show you how to get that because you get the update packs in this project. Alright. Now we're going to go to the VMware tools. Basically, if you have a Mac, just go to Virtual Machine and just click on Install VMware Tools. Or if you have Windows, it's also VM. And it should start automatically. It should be detected automatically. And it should start installation. We'll hit yes. And then the driver fails automatically. Then you want to go to Advanced Properties, and then click No when you see that pop up. Advanced Properties, change, Have Disk, Browse. There's the C drive. Then you want to go to the C drive, Program, VMware, Driver, Video, and there it is. Click Open, and do that. And there you go. Next thing we're going to do is go to Monitor, hit Change, and we'll just go to Plug and Play Monitor. Then we'll click Apply, click OK, click Apply again, and then restart the computer. Then it'll say Windows is now restarting instead of completely rebooting, and the graphics look a lot better. Now we're going to test this out by changing the resolution to a more preferable way. So we'll do like 1280 by 1024. Next thing we're going to do, and there it is, it's at 1920 by 1080. So let me go to the Start menu, and let's open up the Program Manager. Here it is. Look how nice it is. In Windows 98, I have to actually make my own. Alright, we'll hit exit. So that's how you install Windows 95. I'm Tommy89, and I'm signing out.